Hi, I'm Harith from MHS Notes. In this video, I want to provide a tutorial about how to install elementary tweaks in elementary OS. Okay, so first is open your terminal. Okay, so then run this command apt add repository mp start elementary tweaks daily. Okay. Run it in your terminal. Sudo apt add repository ppa mp start elementary tweaks daily. Okay. Then type your password, then press enter. Press enter again. Okay, then so update your system by run this command sudo apt get update. Okay, the last is run this command sudo apt get install elementary tweaks, then press enter. Okay, this is the last. Okay, let's see at system settings. Okay, elementary tweaks successfully installed. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and for more tutorial visit my blog at mhsnotes.blogspot.com. Thank you, see you next time.